Hello. If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure to...
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a doll.
It's true! I saw the whole thing!
Happy birthday, Smokey Mo!
Oh, good little bear!
Pose me with its telepathic control. It grabbed me with its giant forked tongue and rolled me up and down like a yo-yo. It was horrible.
Oh, boo, we gotta get you home.
And on my birthday, I thought you cared about me.
Celia, try to understand.
Come on, this way.
Spread out and lock it down.
There's nothing down here. This is the girl we're looking for.
I ain't working nights. Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens.
Hurry up, Sulley, hurry up. I've got both doors set up on the scale floor.
Please, done here too.
Race you to the scare floor.
They'll never find her door now.
Look, boo, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo.
Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now.
Still go? Oh, no. Slam it.
It's been the most terrifying day of my life. But I love you, kiddo.
Kitty's gotta go now.
We quickly rendered the situation satisfactory.
Get ready, folks. We have to decontaminate.
For your own human child here tonight. We responded to a 2319 in progress and reported to the scene where we immediately secured the area in question. We spread out and locked it down. After careful and thorough observation of the perimeter, we quickly rendered the situation satisfactory. We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight. We responded to a 2319 in progress and reported to the scene where we immediately secured the area in question. We spread out and locked it down.
Nice to see you.
Thorough observation of the
Young man in the
perimeter,
second row. Sir, your name is not Clarence.
neither confirm nor deny.
Ha!
We responded to a
Goodbye, Clarence.
scene where we immediately secured the area in question. We spread out and
I said goodbye.
Take that, Clarence.
Thank you.